I going up and never stopping. My, no worries about falling. When I hit the ground, just bass, drop it. To the end of time, we go. Higher, near to go. Countdown in the woods, no sound. Green on the ground, building hip-hop mounds. Songs still spinning in my own hometown. In the future when my name's passed around, they'll say that he's a pioneer. They'll say he's a pioneer. Lost in the scene, whole game like a ballroom. Came about the mud, had to go to my dance shoes. Hit the moonwalk when I'm leaving every interview. I never look back, even when I'm leaving rooms. I could drop a phantom when I wake up in the morning, but if money's all you flexing, then you live the cheapest story. I wanna be Picasso to the south, just give me all the glory. I'm the man who made dirt and dust allegory. So keep talking now, right? Stay up late all night, draw pictures of my enemies and visions I like. Music's life, time's moving, take a hike. Back then, say what's next, and I'll probably say a bike. To the end of time, we go. Pioneers who go, countdown in the woods, no sound. Green on the ground, building hip-hop mounds. Songs still spinning in my own hometown. In the future when my name's passed around, they'll say that he's a pioneer. They'll say he's a pioneer. A pioneer. Velvet red carpet is my best dress shoe. Walking what I don't need, the term artist misuse. Lit views, only lighting rockets. Dodge every bullet on earth, and now I'm skirting comets. We two different forms of profit. Mine could never fit in the biggest baller's pocket. And I won't ever die, even living as a target. I kick the door off so nobody can knock it. Can, way from the bottom. I going up and never stopping. My, no worries about falling. When I hit the ground, just bass, drop it. To the end of time, we go. Pioneers who go. Countdown in the woods, no sound. Green on the ground, building hip-hop mounds. Songs still spinning in my own hometown. In the future when my name's passed around, they'll say that he's a pioneer. They'll say he's a pioneer. A pioneer. Church. A lot of people think that I'm something I'm not. One thing I am is everything I say in my songs. If anybody got a question about the life I live, ask up, don't paint a picture if you ain't even got the cam. I'm a loud mouth, your teeth it ain't no doubt. Flag flapping in my truck, got pride for the south. I ain't a redneck commercial for the show that's out. Ain't your next dollar in your pocket looking like a drought. Fuck that, fuck them. I'm sick of people putting stereotypes on the kid. Other rappers looking at me trying to copy all of my shit. Your blood I need to my face turn red. On a whole nother level, but not even for myself. But for every single artist that is sitting on the shelf. Every kid with a dream and can't sleep that well. Cause mama and daddy got the cops called cause all they do is if you gonna yell something, yell loud to the sky. Get the hellfire, then ask God why. We only get one go, make it work that ride. Switch lights on, and a secret climb. We only get one go, make it work that ride. Switch lights on, and a secret climb. I went from hoes in my jeans and loose change in my clothes. Struggling for the pennies, now my trucks have turbo. People wishing that I would crash and fail. Now I'm burning up the city with that superstar sound. Still repping every single person in my zone. 12-point buck ranks mounted on my throne. I guess I'm robbing the hood with a backpack to arrows. The barefoot bandit chasing chasing that the net road. I never would have thought I'd see the things I am. Sometimes when I'm high, gotta pinch my skin, hoping that I don't wake up and everything is a lie. My pawpaw passed away, then the state took the farm. You don't know my struggle, why I fight so hard, cause everything I've had has been taken even my own yard. Being kicked to the curb with the rib passed through, eviction notice on the door, then I had a breakthrough. Yeah, I packed my shit, said fuck my friends. They was all on drugs, not going nowhere. Just sitting in the room, passing around that weed that their parents paid for on some petty ass shit. So I put the blunt down, stood up in the smoke, and told them I wasn't going down as a hometown joke. So I bought a pack of pens and paper, let's go. I'm Upchurch, baby, watch the story unfold. If you're gonna yell something, yell loud to the sky. Get the hellfire, then ask God why. We only get one go, make it work that right. Sight so, innocent, run the clock. We only get one go, make it work that right. Switch lanes, sight so, innocent, run the clock. I'm from the land and you can meet me at the parking lot of Circle K. I pull up by myself in that single cab like I need gas. My shotgun seat so empty, y'all look sketched out and you brought your friends. 5 of y'all and 1 of me. I got Babe Ruth gripped in my hand. Pull up in that parking lot, ain't nobody scared. Bitch, I've been through hell and back, and mama didn't raise no bitch. She raised the hellion from the other side. She raised a crazy motherfucker, crazy blood. River, shotgun, then up to the glass, license on the spine. I'm out, then I fight by all my tags. We go to the grave, like that mug and then go well and shut. Bear me on ghost ranch with my middle fingers pointed up. 51, big dad, red barn with all the roosters down. White church on the corner, Chambers been closed for a decade, probably. Black marks on the pavement, street lights buzzing, and they barely work. Heels have eyes on these parts, so best make sure you just passing through. When the sun goes down and the one horse down, there's a 45 loaded and a dog let out with a pissed off daddy and a crazy old man and a motherfucking thief and a weight crackhead. So I do my shit, I lock my gate, I load my guns, I clean my plate. In the pitch black, I sit and wait, don't come up missing on 300 acres. In that parking lot, ain't nobody scared. Bitch, I've been through hell and back, and mama didn't raise no bitch. She raised the hellion from the other side. She raised a crazy motherfucker. River, shotgun, then up to the glass, license on the spine. I'm out, then I fight by all my tags. We go to the grave, like that mug and then go well and shut. Bear me on ghost ranch with my middle fingers pointed out. Sometimes I get stoned in my backyard, lay off in the tall grass so my view is the stars. I think about nothing, get to clear my thoughts from all the thunder and lightning, so I feel a spark. Sometimes I get higher than the Colorado Rockies, hoping that the county sheriff don't stop me. Like Charlie Daniels said, you shouldn't smoke and dope, but damn it, I can't help I love rolling stone. With the windows rolled down and the radio up, sweet tea full in my solo cup, listening to the humming of the 44, sounding like a concert. I'm a beat up door, arm hanging out the window, smiling away, smoking on some where the cattle graze. Charlie Daniels said you shouldn't go smoke and dope. Hell, I can't help I love rolling stone. Yeah, I love rolling stone. Smoke rolling around the cab with the dome light on, looking like a stage for a Leonard Skinner song. Hanging out with Mary Jane, but she's making the time go slow. Making memories with my buddies through the thick green smoke, puff passing out the windows of my old Tahoe. Lifted so damn high I can't come down, driving under the speed limit in my town. With the windows rolled down and the radio up, sweet tea full in my solo cup, listening to the humming of the 44, sounding like a concert. I'm a beat up door, arm hanging out the window, smiling away, smoking on some ground where the cattle graze. Charlie Daniels said you shouldn't go smoke and dope. Hell, I can't help I love rolling stone. time with the windows rolled down, the radio up, sweet tea full our solar cups, listening to the humming of the 44s, like a concert out my beat up. I'm hanging out the window, smiling away, smoking on some ground where the cattle graze. Oh, Willie said there's not nothing wrong with smoking dope, so light one up and let's go rolling stone. So pass me that and let's start rolling stone. When I die, I'll drown myself in these lyrics I speak. Stranger to the rain, I put the sunshine in my gray clouds. Work hard for what I'm at, so it's easier for me to sleep now. But I don't sleep, I walk the roads from stop sign to street name. No yellow marks on these back roads, so I paint the lines and pave my way. And these friend pics on my wall for my top 10s on these music charts. Represent these small towns you'll never see with a big heart. And these lyrics in my songs are the warm spot like a car heart. Don't ever forget that one place that made you that person that you are. Many miles I've run, wheels turning on that one lane. Last year's boots, broken souls, chasing golden veins. Caught up in the storm of life, it gets me excited. I guess you could say that I'm chasing white lightning. Chasing white lightning. Chasing white lightning. Chasing white lightning. Let the rain come down till I can't hear myself think. If the rain come down and drown the radio out in this little S10, I wanna go back sometimes to sitting inside it doing nothing, chilling with all my friends on the tailgate, rolling up and jamming something. Yeah, young gun, I was one of those putting Jack D in my Dr. Pepper. Had stickers all on my back glass of my truck and made this shit look better. Just a poor boy drinking too big for the town that I was raised up in. That's why I represent the underdogs. I want them to know that they can win. Many miles I've run, wheels turning on that one lane. Last year's boots, broken souls, chasing golden veins. Caught up in the storm of life, it gets me excited. I guess you could say that I'm chasing wild.